How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide photos on Instagram without having to delete them. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is open up your Instagram. Locate the app and then open it up. Make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, head over to the bottom right corner to your profile. So there you can now see your posts in your profile. So select whichever post that you want to hide. Press on the post. So let's say that I want to hide this post. All I have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right of this post. After you tap on it, there you'll find different options. The one you'll need to press is the archive option. Tap on archive and your post will then be archived and it will be removed from your feed. There you can see the post is no longer there. So archiving the post will simply archive it without deleting it, and you can recover it whenever you want. So if you head over to the three lines on the top right, and if you scroll down, there you will see archive option. Tap on it. On the story archive option on the top, press on that and then tap on your posts archive. And there you can see the post that you just archived. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.